So usually when you have a chlorine pool, you're going to see the corrosion, you're going to see the discoloration of the stainless, and it's hard to stay on top of that. Usually, you have to do a major rework every 5 years. Gutters will discolor. You'll have stainless handles; they'll discolor. You'll really play with the corrosion. In this particular pool, because of the air delivery method, and because of the chloramine recovery ductwork that's underneath of the deck here, we don't have that issue. So our chloramine count in the air here is below industry standard by 10 times.
You don't smell chlorine, and that's the first and most important thing when you come into a building or an aquatic center. And we talked quite a bit about that because like with the track next door, you can get people to come to a track, but if there's wind, they're not going to come back. It's the same thing with pools. You can get them to come to a meet the first time, but if the air quality is poor, they're not going to come back, either NCAAs or USA Swimming. So the fact that we had over 300 and I think it was 356 athletes in the water 2 weekends ago, and nobody was, you were breathing perfectly fine. So this is a facility that was built with that intent, to be able to bring swimming and diving, not only on a local level to a higher level, but also get in a national level. When we put all this together, there were a couple priorities. Number one was a separate diving well, deck space, and air quality. And they've all reached all of our expectations. But yeah, the air quality has been great, and we didn't have any issues. And many people were just blown away by the building itself.